Good morning. My name's Daniel Phillips. I'm the Arkansas State Surveyor, and today we're going to see how fast can I draw 3 corner certificate sketches. Let's get to it.
Okay, so this is just going to be a fun little exercise to sketch 3 corner certificates. So let's import the points. Import text file. I have it set to draw field to finish, so most of the symbols and line work will be drawn. Okay, so I have 2 jobs, or 2 locations. One of them is up here, and one of them is down here. So let's start with this one. Looks like everything came in pretty well. Let's see how that looks in paper space. I can probably reduce that text size a little bit. Okay, so let's start with the bearings and distances. I'm going to use a dashed line. Okay, let's go to annotation, auto annotate. I'll annotate these 2 lines, and I'll probably have to use a leader on the other 2. Text is a little big, so let's fix that. Let's take it down 1 more notch. Okay, so let's do these leaders. Adjust my text size a little. Bearing and distance. Try that again. Bearing distance. Okay. Should be it. All I need now is to import the photo, which I don't have now, so we'll move on to the next one. This is a double corner on a range line. So I've got a aluminum monument here and an aluminum monument here, about 70 feet apart. There are two separate corner certificates. This one has its own references, 3 trees here, and the references for this monument is this tree and these 2 power poles. So we're going to break that up a little bit. Let's look at it in paper space. We're going to look at the north one first. So here's the road. Let's just extend that line out to make a cleaner drawing. And I'm going to put a name on the road. We'll borrow this text. And the name of this road is Barnum Road. But I want this text to be aligned with the road, so I'm going to do twist text, entity segment. So I'm going to select this, yes, and select the text. There it is. Let's increase the text size. Maybe not that much. Let's do 1.5. Okay. I'm going to adjust this text location. Start drawing in my reference lines. I'm actually going to do, did that in the wrong layer, or the wrong paper space instead of model space. So let's do that again. I always like to reference the jog corner when possible. Alright. But But I don't want to show these trees right now. So I'm going to temporarily hide that one. You know what? I'm going to leave it on there because we still have to add the photos. But I just want to reference these 4 objects. Annotate, auto annotate. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to want to move this diagram . We'll figure out a better place to put it so we can fit everything we need to fit. Go back into model space, view window, and I want it to look about like that. Let's bring that road label down. Okay, it'll still fit in its original location. Okay, so that's pretty much done. I want to differentiate these 2 monuments. So let's borrow some text. And actually, let's put the coordinates on here. I need to reduce my text size a little. Change my line type. Actually, I don't think we need to differentiate these. That'll be pretty evident on the drawing. So that one is done, other than hiding this tree and adding a cap photo, which we'll do later. So now let's work on this monument here. And this is the paper space layout. Let's just go back to model space and make this a little easier. Alright, let's go to auto annotate. Okay, Let's go to label coordinates. Alright, where can we fit this? Maybe here? Extend the road to clean that up a little. I'll label these. Just call these power pole. Okay, and that's it. Just needs the cap photo and the surveyor seal and hide these reference lines and trees up here to for the export. And that one is done. I hope this was helpful. Just a quick little simple corner certificate sketch drawings. And thank you for watching.